Good morning. Good morning.
And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a f***. Don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the GM Show, Tuesday, July 12th. I'm your host, Freeman, and joined by your other host, Matt, over there. Matt is back.
Good morning.
From his nice long weekend in hell. No, I'm just kidding. How was Vegas? Give us the TLDR.
It was awesome. I think I want to move there. It was awesome.
Live. So there's that.
I survived. I feel like crap, but I survived.
Would you survive if you lived there?
Yeah, I would thrive if I lived there.
Wow. I don't know if I've ever heard anybody say that about Vegas, except for maybe like professional poker players. I don't know. Well, we're going to jump into all the crypto headlines and check out the market and see how bad we're going to dump. And but before we do that, let's check out our own website. Let's chill ourselves here at gmdefi.xyz. You can check out everything GM DeFi. You can even check out the tools that we have there. Every morning, we use the kimono indicator. Let me just get it up here to analyze the market, and you can use it too. So you just hit us up in the Discord, and we will give you access to the kimono indicator on TradingView. Also, check out Morning Friends. Morning Friends is our upcoming NFT project. Twitter.com/Morning Friends. Check it out. There will be more information coming as things develop on that end. So let's get into the news, shall we? Ethereum falls below critical level. Will it hold $1,000? I guess we'll see. Bitcoin is also fallen below 20,000 as of the time of this article came out. But we're going to look at the charts here in a little bit and tell you what's not going to happen. We're not going to give you any financial advice, of course. Solana NFT marketplace Magic Eden launches gaming venture arm. The leading Solana NFT marketplace doubles down on Web3 gaming with Magic Ventures, plus the launch of in-game storefronts. So this is just another, pretty much every week, Magic Eden, they ship something, which is pretty impressive. They're definitely on a tear over there, and I think that's key in Web3 is to keep the momentum going.
Putting all that investment money to use.
That too, yes.
They're building.
It says, they recently raised a war chest of funds that valued the young startup as a crypto unicorn. Oh, no, that's not good.
They used the bad word. Yeah, they're cursed now. They're yes. Send it to zero.
Exactly. Today, they revealed Magic Ventures, a venture investment arm that will focus specifically on gaming. To pursue that mission, the company has hired Tony Zhao, formerly of the Chinese gaming giant Tencent, as its new head of gaming investments. It says that the investments will be purely strategic in nature and provide support to developers of NFT-powered video games, rather than approach investments with the expectation of making a return on funds. They're not thinking about the returns. They never have, and they never will.
Whoa.
That's a quote.
Oh.
Wow.
All right.
It says when Magic Ventures signs game developers, they'll enter a Magic Eden ecosystem that offers Launchpad for primary sales of NFTs as well as secondary marketplace. So let's see, like, I don't know what else they get there. It just sounds like support. They get to use the Magic Eden Launchpad, which I know Magic Eden takes a cut of your mints when you do that. But yeah, anyway, I just more bullish Magic Eden news. Last time, every time this happens, when there's bullish news about something, it ends up crashing really hard in the end. So just waiting for the Magic Eden rug.
Yeah. When rug.
Kansas said he's here for the sunburn or punched to the face alpha. Well, I don't know.
Good morning to Kansas. I did get sunburned, dude. I'm in pain.
Oh wow. Oh, that's a legit burn then. Multi-sig wallet Gnosis Safe raises 100 mil and rebrands to just Safe. It's nice. It's nice and easy. It says the $100 million funding round led by the venture capital firm 1KX. Project plans to use the new funding to secure its growth and expand the offering of projects and products that leverage its smart contract accounts. So yeah, that's a pretty good amount to raise. 100 million is nothing.
Dude, 100 mil is nothing. Yeah, that's no joke.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what they end up doing with this new funding. If they maybe do something like Magic Eden's doing, maybe they'll give some developers some money to develop using Safe. I don't know. We'll see. But either way, I think that's good. I like the Gnosis Safes, and I like the multi-sig wallets. I think that's essential. So I could see why this is raising money. It's kind of some of that essential infrastructure of the blockchain. So it's good. It's good. Three Arrows Capital founder Suzu breaks his silence. Yesterday, we were just talking about how the liquidators claimed that he was in hiding.
Yeah,
but now it sounds like he's broken his silence. So he wasn't in hiding that long. And he's calling out liquidators for baiting. He tweeted for the first time in a month, claimed the liquidators are baiting, whatever that means.
Yeah, I was about to say, what does he mean?
The company has shown good faith and attempted to cooperate. Let's see what else he said. He says, sadly, our good faith to cooperate with liquidators was met with baiting. Oh yeah, we don't get much more than that. Hopes that they did exercise good faith. WRT, the Starkware token warrants. Details from emails shared by Zoo connote dissatisfaction regarding how court filings have proceeded and how liquidators have so far conducted activities. It's a nice long email there between Three Arrows Capital and the liquidators. I mean, it does seem like there are emails going back and forth to them, but so, who knows? Maybe the liquidators tried to get some FUD out just to put pressure on him, or, I mean, it's a little battle over there, it sounds like. And so I wouldn't trust Suzu, whatever he's saying, necessarily. So yeah, but the story deepens. The story gets deeper over there with that.
Yeah, he's just on the run, dude. That dude's just on the run.
Did he tweeted from his burner phone? Is that what you're saying?
From his yacht.
From the burner phone on his yacht.
Was this the dude who said that it was like it's really expensive to be like running from international law? Was that this dude?
Yeah, I think. Well, or I think or something.
Who was that?
He made a comment about yacht. I don't know. I think I know what you're talking about. This will make a great Netflix special. Wow.
I was about to say, yeah, like I don't remember which series this is from, but I watched this somewhere. I think
I get the founders mixed up too. I'm like, is this Luna, or is this Three Arrows Capital, or is this Celsius? What's going on? It's just, there's a lot of burning ships. Actor Bill Murray joins the Cool Cats community Actor and comedian Bill Murray joined Cool Cats late last night with a 3.9 ETH purchase of Cool Cat number 8413.
Why?
Do you remember Cool Cats? Do you
I love
remember
Bill
them?
Murray. I just don't know why. Yeah, like why Cool Cats? I mean, they had a good. I know, like a lot of people love their shit up at NFT New York City, but I don't know what they're doing over there besides coming up with some.
Oh,
dope.
of course. Oh, of course. Of course. Here's what's going on. Okay, well, not only that, he
Yeah.
also holds 3 Boss Beauties and a CryptoPunk. But
Oh,
of course, this isn't just because, right? He's entering
yeah. It's like
the Web3 space, launching his own NFT project in a couple days. The Bill Murray 1000 is a collection of 1000 NFTs based on 100 stories from Murray's long and successful acting career. So, of course, he's just buying NFTs as a essentially marketing campaign.
You think that's just it? Like, I guess so.
Probably
I mean,
just to like make some noise that he's in the
it makes
space
sense.
buying things, and he's just buying like some probably safe bets.
It's probably his assistant or some shit. It's like, so this is this is what we're gonna do for your. And to launch an NFT project, you gotta own some. So
that's true. You can't be just a poser. Can't be a poser. You gotta act. But I'm just sad that he doesn't have any degen mints in that wallet. Like, why isn't Bill just doing free mints? Like, yeah, where are the free mints? Where are the shit punks? You got a real crypto punk. Now you need a shit punk, bro. One day we'll all make an NFT selling our life stories. I know, if only I had the clout that I could just sell NFTs about my life stories. Oh, one time I went down to the deli and they gave me a sandwich with the wrong protein in it.
I don't know if they're gonna have that lame of stories, bro. Like that's so sad. That's your life stories. That's your life story.
That's what I'm saying. What did I have that's that exciting? One time I went to a lake with Matt Jones. Oh, cool.
One time, yeah, okay, yeah.
I'll be looking forward to see the stories. I think we should check out this NFT project actually, because we should find out, like, what are these stories? This is the official account of Bill Murray 1000. Each NFT tells a story. Are there any of them available yet or not yet? I think they'll be launched soon, probably. The Chive. Oh, so this must be the Chive must manage his, or it's like
dude, he's just probably getting a little percentage of it. They're like, we'll just license. They're basically like licensing his brand. You know what I mean? Like,
yes. Oh, when I met JFK, that's right. The story about how when I met JFK, that's what I would put in mine. Of course. I almost forgot about when I met JFK. It's the story. Each story is like a paragraph. It's like someone just went through his biography and
man. I mean,
wait, they disappeared.
I like big fan of Bill Murray. I don't know about his NFTs.
What happened,
man?
I was able to see them for a second there, and now it's gone. Something weird going on with this contract. That was weird.
It's OpenSea.
I was able to see him, and now I'm not. That's really strange.
That, and we all saw that.
Yeah.
Are they starting to reveal?
It's like they accidentally revealed their metadata for a second there. What just happened? I don't know, but let's go take a look at the market. Let's go look at the charts.
All righty, let's take a look at the charts. All right, let's start with Bitcoin. All right, let's start with Bitcoin here. We are gonna go to the daily. So when I left, we were just at the top of the range here. And you know what? On Bitcoin, Ethereum did not do this one, but yeah, hey, Bitcoin did get higher highs on this pump, but that's about it. Strong rejection up here. Just barely, I would say, tested that 50 EMA zone and got rejected. And yesterday on the kimono wave, our awesome handy dandy trading indicator we got an overbought signal. So that means in the next few days, we can probably expect some lower prices. We are also hitting this trend right now. All right. And so it's just not looking too hot, right? You're thinking, where could we be going from here? Well, you really want this trend to hold if you're bullish. Um and but at the same time, you have your range fib resistance or support, sorry, right here at around 19,000, right? So I'm not and we've all been saying it, right, that we expect lower lows for Bitcoin and crypto in general.
But the little
Or
pumps have been giving us so much hopium. I forgot all
uh
about the lower
they're
lows.
just on, yeah, that's just in within the range. That's all it is. It's within the range. So let's go back. Let's go to lower time frames. See what we're looking at. I mean, right here it does look like that this trend line could show some support for Bitcoin. I mean, right here we have the oversold signal or overbought signal pinching in, and we could be getting an oversold green dot soon. It's just the money flow wave is really thick still. Like, I just am not too convinced um, that if we did, maybe it would come back up here and hit resistance on the fib here and then dive down. But so if we get relief, maybe it's just that's it. It's just a little bit of relief, and then we'll go down to those lower lows. I did see. Um, I think I accidentally deleted that page. We had I was going to show the liquidation levels, and we have already taken, right, there was a bunch of late shorts, right? And so what happened was that you got some lows right here, or I'm sorry, there was, yeah, and just to take out these like late longs. I mean, I said shorts, didn't I? I'm just getting back, guys. Okay, I'm just getting
It's
back.
okay. It's okay. You're
So
Las
there's a
Vegas
lot of
energy.
late longs.
Post Las
And
Vegas energy.
exactly. So then we got slammed down real quick and just wiped out liquidated those longs. And now we're building up a bunch of longs. Or I'm sorry, shorts. Jesus Christ, can't talk today. Tomato, it's gonna go up and down. So we had a lot of shorts come in, and it's looking like could be some liquidations up here, but we did actually liquidate a lot of those in this spike right here. So I'm not, because it just came up to the daily open. And I'm not, yeah. So I'm looking at this trend. I'm seeing if Bitcoin can hold this trend. If it does, I'm seeing if it can hold, if it could blast through resistance up here. So that's what we're looking at. But you know what? We're getting an over. See, this is just a giant tidal wave. I'm not convinced this is a nice signal with this money flow wave. I'm not too convinced we're going to see a lot of movement up right here. So yeah, it's not looking hot, guys. Not looking hot. So I could see us getting some lower prices. And also tomorrow, I believe so the next few weeks, there's a lot going on. Tomorrow, I think it's just the consumer price index, right? CPI gets dropped. Last time that happened, we saw like a 50% drop in Ethereum, I think it was. So yeah, it's not. So tomorrow could be a crazy one. We also have earnings calls, which does affect crypto, even though it's like you think of earnings as like CEOs and shit like that rambling off to the investors on how bad they're doing. So it really just takes like what kind of language comes out um, from
Yeah, and
these
especially
companies
from
to kind of
crypto
move.
related companies like Coinbase and other crypto companies that are
Sure.
public.
Yeah, I mean, it's just crypto moves with the market.
Yeah.
So it's just like if people are selling, they're just bringing their liquidity out of the markets, and putting them. Then you'll see gold and shit like that probably have a spike kind of thing. Um, and then what's the other one? What's the other one that's coming out? Oh, GDP report. That's right. So I believe that's at the end of the month, at the very end of the month. So these next few weeks are going to be, there's a lot of reasons, right, for the market makers, a lot of excuses for the market makers to be moving prices downward. So this could be, where we get those. Maybe we get to the bottom is what I'm thinking. Like, right, like maybe this next few weeks is where we can get the real price to drive down, and we could get those bottoms soon. Because I haven't been convinced that this is the bottom. We've all known that there's going to be, we know it's going to be volatile, but we don't know. It could be the bottom. Could be totally wrong, but it's not. It's just we know it's going to be not. The only thing that we know for sure, it's going to be volatile. It's going to be all over the place. That's all we know, and it's going to be drastic. So yeah, let's just
Maybe I should buy some silver or gold. Man, silver and gold have both tanked recently. So man, it's actually not a terrible time. Man, silver is like barely holding on to some support at $18. That is crazy.
Yeah, so when you see I look at gold, silver, and like USDC,
Here's the silver
USDT.
chart.
And when you see the volumes in those to really start to increase, then you know that people are taking their money out of the markets to put them in those kind of assets.
Look at this shit. Holy crap.
Mhm.
What happened to silver? I don't know, man. Past week, brutalized.
Yeah. Oil has been kind of doing similar shit like that.
Like
So
just crashed through the trend line and doesn't want to come back. That's very interesting. Well, maybe maybe if we get some numbers that the rest of the market doesn't like, maybe silver will come back. Maybe I will get some silver in the dip.
ETH, I'm looking at ETH. I think I'm going to be putting a short in ETH here real soon because I'm getting an overbought signal. Could be printing here on a 24-minute. 2 hour is pinching here, but it's not right. It's not. It's just a tidal wave. So when I see these kind of tidal waves, it's just it's basically, sure, you get these oversold signals, but they're kind of fake outs, right? Because it's just the momentum's just too strong for them. So I'm not even touching any of these long signals, right? It's just I'm looking for the shorts. So right now I'm seeing this and I'm saying, okay, price came down here to support right here on the fib level, and it busted through, and now we're treating it as resistance, as this candle challenged it, failed it, no signal. All right, I'm going to be looking for short opportunities. 24-minute looks like we could be getting a decent one here. Money flow pointing down, VWAP pointing down, RSI pointing down, red momentum bars. I mean, it is looking like some good short opportunities coming here. And where would I be looking to be shorting to? Probably the fib resistance, or I'm sorry, support. Fib support right here. This is the golden pocket. That's what I'd be looking for. And that's gonna be, what is that? It's gonna be like what, a 2-3% move? Yeah, 3, almost 4% move if it gets down there. So that could be a real nice opportunity that I'm gonna be looking for here soon. Like I said, if this prints in 13 minutes, I will be shorting. So we'll see. We'll see what's happening today. There's right now it's looking like that we could be seeing some drops in the market, some drops in the prices here. But watch out for like tomorrow when we get those kind of reports and everything, because a lot of people are saying, oh man, these reports are going to justify the Fed to have like 0.75 interest rate hikes and stuff like that. So basically you're going to be seeing the Fed and everything to try to be doing whatever they can to get the consumers to stop spending money. All right, that's basically what they want to do. So it's going to be it's going to be a shit show here in the next few weeks, I think. That's what I think. A complete shit show. Ape Watch. Yeah. Should be good. Ape, yep, rejected right here off the 50 EMA right here on a 24-minute. What's a 2-hour looking like? 2-hour? It's kind of same, right? It's all kind of pinching, but it's kind of in a tidal wave. I wouldn't be too convinced that we're going to actually see any true challenges to the 50 EMA yet, especially when we're looking like, okay, down here, we're looking like we could be seeing some lower lows here, and yeah, just it makes sense within the range. Come back down to the fib level before we see really any kind of bounce back, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. It's all kind of in the same spot. Is there any big winners, big losers? What's this 3%? Matic is up 3%. It's decent. And Matic here, yeah, 50 EMA is above the 200. That's bullish. You actually have a green momentum bar. I mean, it looks like the pump's kind of already fizzling out, though. Honestly, we do have like an oversold signal here, but with the RSI kind of like doing this like downward mountain kind of looking thing, that's not too reassuring. Like, so, we might get some higher prices, but we haven't been getting higher highs. So I'm not, is the party over here? Right. I mean, 4-hour RSI is still taking off. So, I mean, this is an interesting one. Matic's looking actually kind of good. 8-hour, I really been liking the 8-hour. Just because you get nice moves with it, and it does a really nice job. I mean, everyone's gonna get fake outs, but you get a lot less of them. VWAP looks like it's about to cross up. We have green money flow wave, so Matic might be an actual interesting one. It's kind of spot trade or something right now. Plus you have some. Yeah, I mean, I could totally see Matic here on the 8-hour wanting to challenge the 200. Moving average up there. So yeah, that's probably the best one on my watch list that's going. AVAX is up 2.4%. That's nice.
Yeah, that's good for AVAX. Hanging out around $17. Wow.
I don't know. This doesn't look too good either.
Yeah, the lower high there, and not great, but
lower highs.
Yeah, not a great sign.
Yeah, not very good at all.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for all the good news, man. Thanks for all that great news. Just bringing your post Vegas energy and shitting all over our hopium, and I guess everybody's gone now. Nobody's watching anymore. Everybody went and got jobs, and they're back to Web 2. We went from Web 2 to Web 3, then to like Web 4 and 5 somehow, and then all of a sudden back to Web 2. Just a circle of life, I guess. Okay, we're gonna do a quick intermission, and then we'll be back, and we're gonna look at what's going on in the NFT market. Hopefully, it's more fun than what's nice about the NFT market is it's like you're in the crypto sphere. You don't need to look at the fiat price. You can just look at what things are worth in ETH and feel better.
1 ETH equals 1 ETH, bro. Yeah.
Exactly. Now you're getting me excited. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the GM show. He said 99.9% of people who are in crypto are morons. That would mean that at least one of us is a moron, if not more.
While you're asking me if I'm going to sell the dollars and buy pesos back again as the peso sleeps from 20 to the dollar to 40 to the dollar to 80 to the dollar, or if we're in, Venezuela. I mean, you think a Venezuelan company is going to, like, quote unquote, take some money off the table by selling their US stocks and their US dollars to buy back into local currencies, or in Zimbabwe, you think they would take money off the table, right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Crypto today's ago. Crypto today.
TBT, the broke team motherfuckers.
No! Bro. This whole area is putting me on tilt. This whole range, man. This whole range, I swear to God. Man. This whole fucking range is man, you're gonna touch, man. You're gonna fucking touch your stuff. Oh my God. Let me move it like a tiny bit. No, stop fucking moving this. Oh, bro. Oh, bitte. Bro, what the fuck?
What happened yesterday. Today's the day. Go out there. Don't take shit from nobody. You got a dream, fucking live it. And if they don't want to be a part of your dream, fuck it. Throw them off the railing. Who gives a fuck? At the end, it's you against the fucking world. You follow me? And then it's you against you. So you got two fucking wars you're fighting at one time. Smoke a little reefer, write your notes, do your 22 push-ups, and tell the world, you know what? You better fucking hide in camouflage, because I'm coming for you, motherfucker.
It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
No, Fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi. It's a wazi. It's a woozy. It's not fucking real. Right? All right. Stay with me.
Mm-hmm.
We don't create shit. We don't build anything.
For watching GM TV.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show, and thanks for sticking around through that intermission. Please like, subscribe, share it with your parents. They probably need this this tour through the Web3 space, tailored just for the boomers. Today, in the past 24 hours, we got Goblin Town really having a resurgence there with 785 ETH in volume. CryptoPunks is still just cruising with 784 ETH, and that's 75 ETH floor prices. Spicy for sure. Some of the other interesting floor prices, you've still got God Hates NFTs somehow still is a thing. It's still a thing. It's been pretty impressive that worthless free mint has lasted as long as it has. I gotta say. And then Tiger Bobs. Tiger Bobs is actually a project that we covered here that we were bullish about. We GM scored it a long time ago, and Tiger Bobs has been doing really well. Actually, it's been a project that I think and maybe we'll look at it an NFT in it. But I think the blue chip holder is probably increasing the blue chip holder percentage. And then, there's these, man, the top charts right now, the trending charts have all these ape derivatives. Like, I don't know what's going on. Are we really that bored that now we need to go back into the ape derivative meta? Here's the Bored Ape Saudis. This is obviously play on the Saudi thing after you had the Saudis, the Saudi punks pixel art that blew up the other day, the free mint that all the influencers were in on, and now you've got the Saudi apes. You've also got the Japanese-born ape society as well. So I don't know why, the ape derivative thing is coming back, but it is that Japanese.
I thought we were done with the ape derivatives.
I thought so too, man. I thought so too, but I guess it's never too late to go back to it. The Saudis, of course, have a negative 15% floor decrease in the past 24 hours. I mean, that was obviously a pump, and that obviously is a pump and dump type of scheme going on over there. Let's just check out real quick. I want to look at the Saudis. I want to see what's been going on over there. I did get some of the Saudi wives, so those are probably worthless as well. But, I thought maybe each Saudi would need a wife. It just made sense to me. But yeah, this has been on a nice slow trajectory downward. Hopefully, if you minted this, you've taken some profits. Let's look at what was the other one I was gonna look at here on the trending. Oh yeah, I was gonna check out Tiger Bob and see blue chip holders looking like. 47%. That is a high blue chip rate. That's one of the highest I've maybe seen in a while, actually. So yeah, that Tiger Bobs seem to be doing pretty good, and I would say that's one of those ones that is probably going to continue to do well if you've got that many blue chip holders. That outdid the crypto dick butts. I think the crypto dick butts are I think only around 40% in the blue chip holders. So that's you guys over at Crypto Dick Butt, you're at 40%. You guys need to step it up. The Tiger Bobs are coming in and beating you on your blue chip holder percentage there. I'm sorry, guys. So step it up. What else? Let's see. What else did Matt miss? I'm trying to remember what Matt missed.
Yeah, fill me in. What
you missed the Saudis, of course. You did miss the Saudis. There was also, I'm trying to remember, there was another free mint over. Oh, Bagners. Yeah, you missed Bagners, man. And that was another fizzler.
I saw Bagners coming. When I saw it, before they.
Yeah, I mean, there was definitely a fervor for it, but Bagners and the Saudis minted at essentially the same hour on whatever it was, Saturday or Sunday, and you can see Bagners has just been flatlined essentially here, and that one really was a total hype fest. And I actually thought Bagners would do better than the Saudis, but the Saudis must have had the stronger influencer pump group.
Must have, dude, which I thought was interesting because I heard so many people talking about Bagners. It was like,
oh yeah, I mean, on mint day for both of those, it was on Twitter was blowing up with both of these projects really on mint day. Let's see, what's the 1 day volume here is 408 on the Saudis. That's pretty crazy. Bagners only around 13. So yeah, that's the free. That's really what happened as far as over the weekend. Those were kind of the main things. Sadly, I'm still waiting, and like I was saying yesterday, I'm still waiting for some good ETH projects, new ones that make me feel something. But for now, it's just looking at the good projects, the legacy projects, the blue chips, and finding them on sale.
You can feel pain. Right, pain is a feeling.
Oh, that's all I feel.
Pain.
Yeah, that's all I feel. All my free mints are just pain.
You want to feel something different than pain.
I also got rugged yesterday by some scammer for a couple $100. So I'm feeling plenty of pain today, and I've got and all my free mints are pretty much worthless. I did sell. I still my best free mint as of late was my Dirt Birds. Those I took advantage and somehow got exit liquidity out of this collection that was a free mint. And I was talking to some dudes over at Race Car Studios, and they had been buying these. So I felt good because I was like, oh, that's cool. You guys are my exit liquidity. Shout out to you guys if you're over there. To Ken's a scammer story. No, it's too embarrassing. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. And there's no refunds in crypto. So, that's all you need to know.
It's too embarrassing.
It is too embarrassing. It's one of those I should have known better type of scenarios. I do know better. I've already fallen for those scams like last year. It's like, how did this happen to me again? I don't know.
Was it just some dude who's like, "Hey, dude, do you want this a dope NFT for X amount?" And you just sent the money, trusting he's going to give it to you or something?
No, not quite. But I have been getting. I've been getting. You know what's weird about the Solana space is that I get all these people. I'm pretty sure they're scammers. I just don't respond. But this did never happen to me in the ETH space. But now I get all these people offering to wanting to offer to buy my NFTs. They message me and they say, "Hey, is your NFT for sale?" And they send the picture of it, and it's like, whoa, interesting. And I just don't respond to them because I'm like, well, I'll just sell it on the marketplace if I'm going to sell it. So, and I'm not going to sell my utter chaos with the Pepe on top. I'm sorry. It's just right now I'm holding on to that one and it's my PFP. So no, you can have it. Oh, listen, that's what my response is. Let's check out this degen mints. I've been kind of, I got access to this tool. I would definitely not pay for access to this or whatever, but oh, great. Look, this is what's trending right now.
Someone went there. Someone, of course, went there.
This is where we're at right now.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Anyway, this is the past hour. It's been minting, and you actually see there's the
baby like a basketball. Unbelievable. That is. Yeah. I'll look up that
YouTube. I didn't do that on purpose. YouTube. It was just at the top of this list. I'm sorry. It minted out really quick too.
So wrong.
So yeah, that looks like that's in the past 30 minutes. Now you have Saudi women and the sloth rubes. Man, these are minting fast. We should probably go mint some sloth rubes. You know what else is cool about this one? Let me just connect my wallet to this sketch.
We should do.
No, not gonna. But it's cool. I like the live mints feature over here too. It just shows, I think, each block that comes in, what people are minting, which is kind of cool as well. So I watched
Cox Rider.
What'd you say?
It's minting.
What did you say to me? You're a what? What are you? What are you again?
You heard what I called you.
Look. I don't have words, bro. I don't have words. Spherically talented maidens known as Six. They're trapped on this island, and they're with the legendary Cox, a noble, powerful bird-like creature, ready to attention, ever eager to fulfill their hungry owners. I'll let that just be. Insufficient funds? What do you mean? It's because I haven't connected my wallet. I was like, oh man, did I get rugged again? Get rugged again. Okay,
and it's gone. That's what happens when you keep connecting all these random degen NFT sites.
Get Cox Riders actually. Even though those ones are minting pretty quickly. These are minting pretty quickly.
I see them. That's what I'm saying, dude. I see them minting like crazy right now.
Dude, they're gonna be gone real fast. Actually,
dude, there's a lot of simps buying into that.
Insufficient funds again. I don't like this website. It's really sketchy. It just keeps making me connect and then keeps telling me I have insufficient funds. Okay, guys, guess what? I'm minting one. You happy? There, I minted one. Are you happy? You happy? I minted it.
Okay.
Will it tell me anything?
I am a little happy.
Please the Cox, bro. Or release the Cox. Oopsies. I can't read this morning. It doesn't tell me anything when I mint. That's kind of great experience here. But it does say I did successfully mint. I'll have to go check my wallet. But that's one of the Cox Riders. And so that's fun. Let's go. I want to check out. I'm gonna look at Solana NFTs, everybody. I'm sorry, but because I've been buying Solana NFTs, so I'm not gonna apologize. I like to check out Hello Moon. Nansen, which our buddy Akil suggested the other day on the show, for seeing the inflow and outflow of the smart money on ETH. That's a cool tool too, Nansen. You do have to upgrade to get the access to those features, which it's fine, but I'm kind of a total, I'm a cheap ass, so I really just want everything for free. And I like that Hello Moon gives me the smart money outflow and inflow and the top social buying here on projects, all for free. I also like that you can hook up your wallet here and see the profit and loss on your portfolio, which is really nice as well. Anyway, you can see these are some of the smart money projects that are rolling right now. The Reptilian Renegades, I thought was a rugged project, but maybe not. It seems to be coming back to life. These sets on Crec are just this. I will say the sets on Crec, their community is like rabid. They do a really good job at rating on Twitter, and this was the community that I got like followed by a bunch of probably bots or something, but that all had the sets on Correct PFPs. And then if you just tweet at all really about them, all of a sudden you get just an inundation for 24 hours of people coming and interacting and engaging with you. So they definitely are all over on Twitter, and that's clever. That's very clever. So yeah, this is an ever-growing project over there. But I want to look at the launch pad. There is one project that I know is quite hyped. I was trying to get whitelist for it. It's called Liberty Square. Yeah, this launches tomorrow. This is one that I think is going to probably do pretty well over on Solana. It seems to have it's got the influencer hype, and I think that this project, that I've been listening to them in spaces, getting grilled, and it sounds like
getting
yeah, man. It's like over in the Solana ecosystem, they do these spaces. Magic Eden hosts them every day. I forget what they call them, a something tank. But it's kind of like what we were doing with GM scores, except they're doing it with the project founders live. So it's like if we were just grilling them on all the details, and they're pretty like ruthless over there with some of the questioning, just really grilling them about if they don't sell out and what the plan is and all these other things. They really go over all the details of their project. And so I like that. That would be cool if OpenSea did stuff like that, of course, or if we had a large player in the ETH space hosting things like that. But this was one that they seem to have good answers to a lot of the questions. And I dig the art. I like squirrels that are being violent, I guess. I don't know, man. I don't know. I like exit liquidity mostly is what I really like. But Dolph had said free plus ads for the win. Yeah, see, that's like, what we used to do in Web 2, right? Is we'd make a tool and you could use it for free with ads. If you wanted to get rid of the ads, you then pay. That's what I think we're going to see more of that with these tools, because, at first it was like the tools, everybody was charging for the tools and the bots, but now you can pretty much get the bots for free, and the tools are all getting better. They're all competing. They're all it's like a race to zero in the end. So yeah, probably advertising will become more of a revenue model for a lot of these tools. But some of these have VC funding as well. A couple of these different tools in the space. I think that Hello Moon maybe has some VC funding that I was looking at. So lots of different business models going on in the space for sure. Let's real quick. I want to check out the website for this. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I've been to this website. So they're minting for 0.8 Sol tomorrow. Total supply 9,999. It's still a really high supply project. But I think that this one's probably
those are pretty cool.
Out. So yeah,
I like
they're pretty cool.
I like
check out the roadmap again. They're gonna do some airdrops. And let's see what else. trying to remember. My brain is really not working super well this morning. I don't think I
Dude,
drank
never
enough
mind,
coffee.
man. I am exhausted today.
Oh well, I at least you have an excuse. I don't have an excuse for why I'm low energy this morning. Let's see what else is launching today. Anything else? Nothing else I really am that interested in. These baked berserkers are kind of cool looking, but I haven't looked into the project at all. Like what this project actually about. Art-based, comic-driven Solana NFT. That's all the info really there. This is going to be held in escrow for 7 days. That's kind of cool. The art is, yeah, the art's okay there. Yeah. Anyway.
Pogs. Wait, there's Pogs.
Bro,
dude.
Yeah. What is this?
I used to
check it out.
Dude, I fucked with Pogs so much back in the day.
Let's see. Pog Digital. Founded by an elite team of 4 leaders from the Unity game engine. Of course, that's always what they claim, right? That they're developers from some, large ecosystem or a large gaming developer. That's what they always say, right? Maybe this one is. They're building an exclusive Pogman arcade. So this is going to be some kind of, what is this? Oh, you know what? I want to show you another thing I found. Check this out. This is totally degenerate stuff, but whoopsies. I'm not trying to search. I'm trying to go to the website. Oh, and I spelled the website wrong. Can't do anything today. Degen coin flip. This is just a 50% chance double or nothing coin flip game on Solana. You can let me just click this. I've got to sign in here. And you choose head or tails. You choose how much SOL you want to put up, and then you just click double or nothing. Should we just? You guys want to
flip it?
Oh, I don't have enough SOL in my wallet. I'm too poor for this game. Never mind.
Oh, fudge.
I should have been more prepared, but I did flip it a couple times. I lost more than I won, so pretty much to be expected. But it's just another little interesting game. I thought this was pretty genius. I think they take like a tiny little fee or something, off the top. It's almost unnoticeable though, because it's it's such a small amount. But you can see there's people flipping this like every couple of seconds, dude. It's kind of insane. So like what a genius little simple like gambling thing. It's like the simplest gambling game you could ever do. It's kind of like a slot machine almost. It's like just keep clicking, just keep clicking. I've seen like there's streams on YouTube like where someone just did it for a long time. They're just sitting there just clicking. That's like the most low, easiest form of content you could make is just playing this game, just sitting here and flipping and just losing money. Is pretty easy. But okay, this is the Pog Man, right? I'm gonna try to play. I can select my Pogs.
So this is just like a
slammer
playing
weight.
Pog.
It does seem like it. Surface type. I'm gonna do concrete. Carpet.
Okay.
Let's do carpet. That seems really hard. I'm gonna do a 3 on my slam weight.
Carpet sucks.
Okay, now what do I do?
Maybe that's I think you gotta pick 8 Pogs.
Oh, you're right. You're right. I gotta pick 8. Okay. Oh, here we go, dude. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Wait, do I slam this or something? Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Nice.
Whoa. Okay. What the heck, dude? This is interesting. I don't know what I'm doing at all here, but
you're playing Pogs.
I mean, kind of. Yeah, I guess. What happens when I do that? Oh, weird. This is very odd, but I see where they're going here. I see where they're going. I'm just gonna keep. Oh, geez, man! I just keep hitting it. I keep trying to slam it. It's kind of odd how you can choose the angle. but can I move it
Yeah,
around?
because like when I remember when you were playing Pogs, you wanted to get it so that it smashed on this like the corner of the
to get it,
the
to move.
Pog, the slammer, so that it like kind of flipped the Pogs.
It's kind of hard
like
to
that.
control though with your mouse. It's not very. It's like it's very finicky.
Well, if it's
there we
super
go.
easy.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, I suck
Come
at this
on.
game. I suck. I
Come
suck.
on.
I
Ah,
suck. That
no,
last one. It's just
dude.
sucks.
All right, come on.
Okay, I'm
All
gonna
right,
try to hit
there.
There we go. Oh!
Ah!
Kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. I give up.
All right. Well, we could do this for an hour.
Yeah, but this is
an
that's what I'm
hour
saying.
show.
This could be the easiest way to fill time.
Content.
Is, we
Just
should
filled.
just play stupid PDE games. To fill our time. I'm just gonna go over to Pumpopoly and I'm gonna do my I'm gonna just do my daily drive and earn. Gotta do my morning commute on Pumpopoly. There we go. Just checking into all my games, man. That's just what I do every day. It's hard. It's hard being a PDE farmer.
Yeah.
Oh, well, now you know, Dekenza. Dekenza asked what happened to Pogman. Well, now you know. He's now in Web3 like everybody else. So, okay, guys. Well, tomorrow I promise there will be more energy, maybe. In our show. But thank you guys for joining us again. And we really appreciate you guys coming in every day and watching the show and watching us just gamble away our money live. It's been great. Great, another great show. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks a lot, everybody. Don't close this to Kansas. Vegas story time and slideshow. Don't close this Vegas time. Don't leave us. I'm sorry, Kansas. I should have grilled Matt more. I should have made him tell some stories, but he already told them all to me, and I'm telling you, they're not appropriate. So you don't want to get the channel shut down. Okay. Bye, guys.
Good morning,